I met up with a total of 4, including the interior lab. And I ended up using Qanvast to shortlist which interior design firm I was going with, and the interior lab was one of my top choices. Well, I mean, from my first interaction with Eric from the interior lab, I got the sense that he was very professional as well as experienced. From our first meeting, I received very good and thoughtful suggestions on how to improve the house. And he also showed, initiative and planning when he his proposal in sticking to my budget, which was something that other interior designers didn't quite do. Well, in this house, it's not just for myself, but for my grandmother as well. So I wanted a place that had like a modern industrial look, but at the same time, I also wanted to make sure that it was a place that she wouldn't have any accidents, given her age and her mobility. So the interior lab did like a really good job in sort of balancing my vision for the house, as well as being practical as to my grandmother's needs, in providing her not just a safe space to live in, but enough storage for all her items. I've received a lot of compliments from my friends when it comes to the kitchen as well as the bathroom. All of us especially like the interesting tile designs and the colors and the textures that were used to give it a very modern look, and as well as to give it its own personality. I was quite impressed and very satisfied by how smooth and how on time the whole renovation process was. I mean, throughout the whole process, Eric from the interior lab was very responsive and very patient whenever I had any questions or concerns. And the whole project seemed to go off very smoothly and was completed, I think, even a bit earlier than I expected. I've already recommended the interior lab to a colleague of mine who's undergoing his own renovation, and I'll definitely recommend the interior lab to other people looking for a firm that does good, reliable work.